Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all are well. Today we are going to discuss a topic of general science. Our topic of discussion is solar system. The solar system is mainly a system in space that mainly comprises of sun and the 8 planets that revolve around the sun. Sun is at the center of the solar system, and the solar system exists in the Orion arm of the Milky Way galaxy. 8 planets revolve around the sun. The names of the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and Neptune is the farthest away from the Sun. Now here it is to be understood that the first 4 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, these 4 first planets are known as the inner planets of the solar system. They are smaller in size, and these are the densest planets, and they have a rocky surface. And the last 4 planets, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, these 4 planets are known as the outer planets of the solar system. These are the larger planets of the solar system, less dense, and their surface they have a frozen surface, and their atmosphere is gaseous atmosphere. So that was the basic difference between the first 4 and the last 4 planets of the solar system. And now we'll discuss the properties of all planets one by one. Alright? Okay, let's talk about Mercury. Mercury is the first planet of the solar system. It is the nearest planet to the Sun, and it is the smallest planet of the solar system. But it is not the hottest. Although it is nearest to the Sun, but it is not the hottest planet, but it is the second hottest planet of the solar system. During the daytime, its temperature is around 450 degrees Celsius. The planet Mercury has no atmosphere, and it has no any moon. And the surface of the planet Mercury is rocky. It is a solid, dense planet. The planet Mercury takes 88 days to complete its revolution around the Sun. Here 88 days are 88 days of the Earth. And because its revolution time period is 88 days, therefore it is the fastest revolving planet of the solar system. So these were some major facts about the first planet of the solar system, that is Mercury. Now let's move on to our next planet of the solar system, that is the second planet, Venus. Venus is the second planet of the solar system, and it is the hottest planet because its daytime temperature is around 480 degrees Celsius. Although it is not the nearest planet to the Sun, but still it is the hottest planet in the solar system, and its daytime temperature is around 480 degrees Celsius because the Venus planet has an atmosphere, and its atmosphere is composed of carbon dioxide, and you know that carbon dioxide is a major greenhouse gas, and it has the tendency to trap heat from the Sun, which is why it is the hottest planet of the solar system. Other than being the hottest planet, another feature of the planet Venus is that it has the slowest rotation. Its rotation time period is 243 days. It has the slowest rotation because it is assumed that the friction, the Venus atmosphere and the high speed winds cause friction, which is why there is resistance to the rotation of the planet, That is why it has the slowest rotation and its time period is around 243 days. And the revolution time period of the planet Venus is around 225 days. Its another feature is that Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system and it can be seen from the Earth as well. So therefore it is also known as the morning star and the evening star. You can see it in the sky in the morning and evening as the brightest star, as the brightest planet. And one feature that distinguishes the planet Venus from all other planets in the solar system is that it rotates clockwise and all other solar system planets rotate anti-clockwise. And this thing is often asked in the MCQ questions, that which planet rotates clockwise. So the answer is Venus. Venus also has no any moon, just as Mercury has no moon. So that's all are the important features of Venus. And now our third planet of the solar system is Earth, the planet that we live on. It is the third planet of the solar system. And if we talk about the shape of Earth, then its shape is called oblate sphere. If you see the shape oblate sphere, then you will see that there is the difference in radius. And the Earth's shape is called oblate sphere because the Earth's polar radius is smaller than its equatorial radius, which is why its shape is known as oblate sphere, and it is also called as geoid shape. The Earth's rotation time period is about 24 hours, and the Earth's revolution period is around 365 days. But if we talk about its exact value, then according to NASA, the revolution period of Earth is about 365 days, 5 hours, 59 minutes and 16 seconds. And these extra hours, minutes and seconds add up to make a leap year every 4 years. So after every 4 years, we have the year of 366 days, and that is known as our leap year. Our Earth is about 4.6 billion years of age. The planet Earth has only one moon, and that is named as Luna. The planet Earth has an atmosphere, and it is mainly composed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.03% carbon dioxide, and then there are some other gases also. We know that Earth is the only planet that sustains life. The Earth's average radius is round about 64,000 kilometers. On Earth, there is about 71% water and 29% land. There are mainly 3 layers of the planet Earth. Number 1 is core, number 2 is mantle, and number 3 is crust. And the distance between the planet Earth and Sun is about 150 million kilometers. Earth is also a big magnet, and the nearest planet to Earth is Venus. So that was all important information about the planet Earth. Let's move on to our next planet. Okay, now we'll discuss the fourth planet of the solar system, and that is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet of the solar system, and it is the dense planet. It is smaller than Earth in size. Mars is also known as the red planet, and the atmosphere of Mars is mainly carbon dioxide. Some of the features of Mars that indicate that there was at some time water on Mars is that the presence of valleys on Mars. The presence of valleys indicates that there was at some time there was water present on Mars. And for your information, it is a fact that the deepest valleys of the solar system exist on Mars. Other than that, there is developed soil on Mars. And also the surface of the Mars is majorly composed of the hematite. Hematite is an iron ore that gives it a red color, which is why Mars is also known as the red planet. Also, there is iron oxide in its atmosphere, which also gives it the red color, due to which it is called red planet. Also, there is an interesting fact that Olympus Mons is the tallest volcano in our solar system, and that is found on Mars. And this is the fourth inner planet of the solar system. So these were some facts about Mars. Now let's move on to our next planet. Our next planet that we will discuss is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest and fastest rotating planet, and the atmosphere of Jupiter is mainly composed of hydrogen and helium. And there is a big red spot on Jupiter that is called the Great Red Spot. It is actually the storm that has been active for at least 300 years. And the Jupiter is about 1350 times bigger than Earth in volume. And because Jupiter is the fastest rotating planet, therefore its one day is equal to 9 hours and 55 minutes of the Earth. And its revolution time period is approximately equal to 12 years. Jupiter has rings also, which are dusty faint rings, and those are not so visible. And also Jupiter has 67 moons, and the biggest moon also belongs to the Jupiter. The planet Jupiter has the strongest gravitational pull. So these were some facts about Jupiter. Okay, now after Jupiter, our next planet that we will discuss is Saturn. Saturn is the second biggest planet of the solar system. Just like Jupiter, it also has rings, and it has 62 moons. And the biggest, as you know that the biggest moon of the solar system is in Jupiter, and the second largest moon of the solar system is in Saturn, and it's named Titan. And the average temperature of Saturn is minus 180 degrees Celsius. And because it is the second fastest rotating planet, therefore its rotation time period is 10 hours and 15 minutes. It is also a gaseous planet. There are various white spots on Saturn which are assumed to be the powerful storms. So these were some important facts about Saturn. And then our next planet is Uranus. Uranus is also called as green planet, and it's green because its atmosphere is mainly composed of hydrogen, helium and methane gas. And it is obviously a cold planet. Uranus has 27 moons, and it also has rings. It has mainly 13 rings. And because it has a huge orbit, therefore it takes 84 years to complete its revolution around Sun. And then our last planet is Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet of the solar system. It is the farthest and the coldest planet of our solar system. And it is the slowest revolving planet, as it takes 165 years to complete its revolution around Sun. And just as there was a great red spot on Jupiter that is assumed to be a massive storm, and then white spots on Uranus that are thought to be the storms, and in Neptune also there are dark circles which scientists assume that those are storms. The Neptune has 14 moons, and its biggest moon is named Triton. So that was all information about Neptune. So we just discussed the solar system. it is obviously an important topic of general science. So we'll discuss next topic in our next video. If you liked my video, then please share, like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.